Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Pratisha. Now, following the live session that we did with Dr. Rashi on social media addiction, I thought that this is a great topic to be discussed right now. Digital dementia is a newly coined term. It is a mental health or a modern day epidemic which happens due to overutilization of our technology. There's a mismatch in the brain and which causes cognitive disabilities and memory impairment. Cognitive abilities are those which help us in memory and thinking and logic and all of these things. And short-term memory loss is pretty common if you have digital dementia. If you keep forgetting about where you have kept your keys, if you have locked your door, where you have kept your phone, which happens pretty often, that means that you can have digital dementia. It's a very pretty common thing, but we really don't have a lot of research, or we don't have a lot of awareness on the topic, and that's why we really don't talk about it much. um, Digital dementia happens because of overuse of technology, and it can be pretty reversible if you stop using technological things a lot in your day-to-day life. Keeping in mind that we are using our laptops and our mobiles for working from home, it is very difficult for us to keep away from the technology that we are using. But finding the right balance or taking help whenever needed is the key to not get into a very bad state of dementia where it can be irreversible. This is not the age to have a short-term memory loss issue or a memory issue or even any social existing issue. If you think that you might be suffering from a kind of decline in your cognitive function, or you have short-term memory loss, please refer your psychiatrist or any doctor, take some help, and it is pretty reversible. So gaining knowledge about it, read about it on Google if you want to, and make sure that you have a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.